Hey guys, we're doing late night breaks, break 93. It's 6:43 seconds PM Melbourne time. Random is live. Participants. Going 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yoink. Don't need that one anymore. Teams. We're going 4 times. Go again. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yoink. Yoink. And now put that one there. Random is complete. Let's go through it. Clayton Hughes Nets, Jerome Lakers, Nathan Lennon Hawks, Eric Lee Magic, Richard Westwood Rockets, Ben Pascoe Spurs, Matt Newton Cavs, Millie Simic Raptors, Timothy Price Thunder, Blake Riley Wizards, Jerome Nuggets, Timothy Price Bulls, Matthew Brooks Suns, Paul Price Bucks, Nathaniel Eldridge Clippers, Matthew Phillips Mavs, Sean Hutchie Grizz, Troy King Pacers, Andrew Dobell Celtics, Albie Chin Pistons, Dale Warriors, Cree Rubbo Pelicans, Travis Merlo Jazz, Matthew Phillips Kings, Nathan Kane Knicks, Millie Simic Heat, Matthew Stokes Sixers, Steve Kennedy Hornets, Ty Luden Blazers, and Ben Francis with the Wolves. And that's it. Let's show the time on the side.